my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making floating boats. The supplies we need for this craft are a pool noodle, scissors, a straw, and a darker blue piece of foam. So first, we're going to cut the pool noodle, and I already cut mine, just like this. And then we're going to take the scissors very carefully, or ask an adult to help you, and we're going to just poke a hole in it. And then we're going to cut a mast, which makes the boat float. And this is how I cut mine. And then we're going to take scissors, and we're going to cut just a little slice in it, and then a little slice down further. And then we're going to take our straw and cut the top off of it, so we just have part of a straw, like this. And then I'm going to put it in the bottom slot, and then have it go through the top slot, like that. And then we're going to take the straw and just put it in that hole we made. And then we're going to make our boat float. So here's some water. And that's our floating boat. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.